Hello and welcome to Apex Delight with Chima. Today we'll be learning a very simple dish, just a soup, mini one. It's called cabbage soup. Here are the ingredients to be used. We have cabbage, carrot. We have this is grounded crayfish and spring onion. We have your normal onion. We also have dried fish, of course, which is necessary for its flavor and taste. Then your green beans, we have that here. We have also green pepper. It has a nice flavor and gives a nice aroma too. Here we have your salt. We have your grounded pepper, fresh pepper actually. Then we have our stock cube and curry. So, without wasting much time, we'll go down to the deal of the day. So, I'm going to add a little water here for the soup. Okay, now the food is ready, it's boiled, it's fat, it's okay. So I will turn off my gas and ready to serve. Finally, check our site apexnolly.com. On Instagram too, you can check us at ApexNolly. And this cabbage soup, like I said, can be taken with rice, with spaghetti, macaroni, depending on how you want it. Till I see you next time.